Okay.
Are you just taking a picture?
Yeah.
Undercomes Rosie. How in the world did you know? By the way she wears her apron and the clothes she wore. Umbrella on her shoulder. Piece of paper in her hand. She come to see the governor. Come to see the governor. She wanna free her man. Let the midnight special shine the light out, baby. Let the midnight special shine the light on me. Let the midnight special shine the light on me. Let the midnight special shine the ever-loving light on me. Light on me. If you're ever in Houston, you better do right. You better do right. You better not gamble. And you better not fight. Or the sheriff will grab you. And the boys will bring you down. The next thing you know, boy, you're prison bound.